Hey guys, welcome to Developer Ninja. I'm Reza. Hit that subscribe button and let's build something amazing together. Hello friends, in this tutorial video we are going to create a simple 2D platformer game very quickly using ChatGPT. To build this project, we give this command to ChatGPT. I have provided you with the link in a text file with the project. After entering the command, it will give us instruction on how to build the project, and now we open Unity. Okay, now we're going to create a 2D project in the Unity game engine. We have successfully completed the first step. Now comes the second step, which is to create the playing field and give it coordinate, physics and collisions. We set the physics body type to static. Now we create the player and add collision and physics according to the instructions. We have successfully completed the second step. Now comes the third step, which says we need to create the player controller script and add it to our player. Now it's time for step 4, which says we need to create platforms or obstacles and add collisions and static physics to them. Now let's run the project to see what we did. As we can see, everything is working correctly according to ChatGPT instructions. Friends, I hope you follow our channel so we can create better and higher quality educational videos for you.